So, hi there! Welcome back to feralart, or welcome to feralart. How you doing? Okay. Got me all choked up there. Today, we are doing experiment. Yes, we are. I got curious after FAB talking to Fozia about her glittery pretty paints, and then after that talking to Tracy about Fozia's pretty glittery paints, and started thinking of different ways to make glittery paints, I guess, that are kind of transparent. So we're gonna see how this works. Today, if I could just get my life together, you know. Today, we are using some Rust-Oleum product that I found, like, when I first started painting, and I bought it, and I just added it to my regular paints, and it was really pretty. But now I'm thinking, this is the product, Rust-Oleum Glitter Interior Wall Effect. And it is, I'll show it to you in a minute. And together with that, I'm using gel food coloring to make color. And I'm also adding glitter. So at this point, let me insert that clip for you to watch. Well, I thought I was recording. I was not. So I've been mixing up some experiment paint here, and now that I found out I wasn't recording, I will mix up one more tub. I was going to mix up 3, now I'm going to mix up 4. Okay, so here we have Rust-Oleum Glitter Interior Wall Effect. It is just colorless paint. It looks a little yellowy. I don't remember that from the first time I got it, but you know, it wasn't in a plastic tub then, it was in a little can. So basically what I'm doing is I'm putting some of that in these little 2-ounce containers, and then I am adding gel food coloring. So I've already done purple and white and pink. So now I guess I'm gonna do blue. I wasn't gonna do another one, but because my dumb ass forgot to turn the camera on, evidently. I don't know why we do that so often, but we seem to. Not just me, I mean, like, all of us. Oh, whoops, I thought I had the camera on and I didn't. I think it's because we set it up and we get it all ready to go, and somehow our brain goes, okay, you're done, and then you just take off doing what you want to do. So anyway, there's my glittery painty stuff. This is sky blue. I'm just going to put in a couple of drops. And I'm going to mix it up. If I can get a stir stick. Look at there. And now I'm going to put a little extra glitter in because, you know, if some is good, more is better. I use this Hemway Ultra Sparkle Glitter. Sometimes I use a different Hemway. It's a paint additive, but I think they're about the same. So I'm going to put in about a teaspoon. I'll mix it up. At first it'll make it look thicker, but it's really not. It's just because it's a wad. Alright, and here we are. Blue super glittery paint. How's it gonna work? I don't know. Let's find out. So, these are what I practice on. These are from the $1.25 tree. But these are from the $1.25 tree when it was still the Dollar Tree. I bought so many of these. This is a 5x7. I also have 4x6s, but I can't get to them right now because my life is a mess. It's okay. Not the first time my life's been a mess. Probably won't be the last either. So, yeah, these crafters square. And let me get you down here. There we go. Cups and stuff. This is just a canvas panel. I use them quite a bit for experimentation as well. And these are my little Mardi Gras beads. So, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna line these up. I'm gonna take some of this glittery paint that we just mixed up.
Surprise!
Now, I'm just gonna scooch that over. And we're gonna put our white base coat down. I don't know what white this is. I do not have a clue. It might be house paint. Yeah, we're just gonna see what happens here, because I have no idea.
Little sad eyes, don't you cry, 'cause you know. Little sad eyes, love will come, love will go. But when you're strong, you never ask why. But can you learn to love your weakest side? Little sad eyes, I see you carry all that pain. It's a sad life. If the hurt is all in vain, but you'll get through the darkest nights when you learn to find your shining lights. Little sad eyes.
That's all I'm going to put on there because I want to keep it simple to see what it does. There we go. Okay, here's our wet result. As you can see, we're getting some interesting effects here as far as the color. Now, I'm very interested in the glitter. I'm also very interested in the color, but I'm sorry, I'm kind of in a badly lit place here because the rest of my table is full of other project. Want to see? There you go. That's it. Anyway, we'll see what this looks like when it's dry. Let's see about sparkles. Okay, we got them. We got a bunch of them, but I have a feeling that a lot of them have just sunk because of the weight. But yeah, I mean, oh, we got some stuff going on in the pink. I wonder what the difference is. Because the rest of them, the pink seems to be holding the line the best. I wonder if it's just a difference in weight, because the purple seems to mostly be sinking, the blue seems to mostly be sinking, the white is kinda not. But the pink is, the stealing of the show is going on with the pink. So anyway, I will see you when it's dry. Okay, so the last test piece that I did, the base coat was a little thick. So I'm going to do it again. And this is my Floetrol only chromacryl white that I thinned down.
You tell me you're scared. You tell me you're weak. But I know you're stronger than what you think. And I it's hard. Yeah, I know it's rough, but we'll make it through, and I'll back you up. Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you.
We got sparklies everywhere. Very cool. Here's this one. All wet. Does make some interesting things. There we go. So there is number 2 with the chromacryl thinned down. Okay, this is the Willie B Cloud Mix. I love these scissors, by the way. They are awesome. They are, Jim Holtz, and they're called Tonic. I love them. They are so sharp.
I'll still be here. We'll fix these mistakes.
Everything is different now because I'm using food coloring, which is kind of weird. But color is color, right? Well, we're gonna see. I think maybe it causes more sinking because of the heaviness of the gel food color. So it might be better to use paint, but what the heck, right? You never know until you try, so we gonna try.
Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. Look ahead, the sea is calm, and I know we've been through a lot, but just wait. Wait for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we...
Okay, here's our number 3 with the cloud mix from Willie B. I can see all kinds of sparklies. Of course, the cloud mix also has sparklies, so we're going sparkly town here. I'm just gonna kind of show you the whole thing in one swoop because, you know, it's easier. So yes, the flash is on. Yes, we see sparklies. We also see a lot of really sunken colors. As opposed to the second one where we had more places with color on top. So, I will see you when the 3 of these are dry.
Okay, here are our dry results of our experiment pieces. Well, we started out pretty good, and I thought we were starting out kind of bad, but this is the first one that we did with, I think, I'm pretty sure it was house paint in that cup. It smelled like house paint. It looked like house paint. So yeah, this one we got pretty good color, sort of. The pink was really good. The blue was okay. The purple was kind of light. And of course, the white, well, we don't expect miracles from white. But we do get pretty good little sparklies. There's a lot of glitter showing through on there. And it's kind of cute. The second one was the chromacryl white, which mostly just ate our colors. And we got a little bit floating on top, and where there's a little color floating on top, you can see glitter. Yeah. So that turned out to be kind of a bust. And then our third one, which I thought would be the best one of all, turned out the worst of all. Cloud mix. Now, you know, I guess if you wanted to paint the shadow of something, that'd be kind of cool, like a misty morning field of flowers or something. But just because a paint is good for one thing does not mean it's going to be good for all. Cloud mix is great for making clouds. It's great for doing swipes on. Not so great for doing chain pulls on. I think the cloudiness just takes over and the white expands and expands, and it just eats the colors. So yeah, not such a good thing. Still got some sparkles going on, but yeah, that's not the point of this whole adventure. So 1, 2, and 3, and they started out good and just sort of got less manageable by the end, which is okay. That is the purpose of experiments, because I really would have bet on the cloud mix being the one, and looky there, it's not. So anyway, hey, before you go, make sure that subscribe button's pushed, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video or you like any of these little 3 pictures. Share with your friends, you guys. It's really a great way to get our art out there, because we all make art. We don't buy art as much as we would like to, because we make art. So, you know, do all those things. Is a great thing to do. And leave me a comment, because I really do enjoy talking to y'all. Anyway, so yeah, have a good rest of your day, and see you next time.
Close your eyes, get some rest. I'm by your side, lay your head on my chest.